So let's see how to steam clean your microwave. For this you need to take 1 bowl water, add some lemon and vinegar into it. Now keep it inside the microwave. Press stop or clear button, press micro mode at 720 and apply 10 minutes timer. Steam will be created after this. Now this steam will help you to clean all the oil and dirt stains. You can see the steam is created. Now wipe it all with the help of a tissue or cloth. If not cleaned properly, you can also use dishwashing liquid